Welcome back to the discussion of the structural design of Raag. We saw two foundational rules earlier. First and foremost, Sa must be present in every Raag. Sa serves as the anchor or the home note. Additionally, either Ma or Pa must also be present. Ma or Pa in a melody is important because it provides a natural midpoint in the saptak and it provides balance. And there must be at least 5 swars in a rag. If there are less than 5 swars, there is not enough material to make melody that can be expanded. So now let's talk about the next important foundational rule of the structure of the rag. The specific ascending and descending order of swars used. Each rag has a specific ascending or arohi and descending or avrohi order. This characteristic sets the concept of rag apart from Western musical scales. In Western musical scales, the sequence of notes is typically the same in both directions. In rag, it does not have to be. The aroha and avroha are the prescribed routes and are one of the ways a rag gets its unique personality and can be distinguished from other rags. Some rags may skip notes in ascent, while others might take a different path on their way down. Their specific order with its unique twists and turns is what gives a rag its unmistakable identity. And this is denoted by Arohi Chalan and Avrohi Chalan. Chalan means the tune. How the rag moves or walks Arohi and Avrohi. Now let's take examples of Rag Bageshri and Bhimpalas. Let me sing you the Aroha and Avroha of Bageshri. Ni sa ga ma da ni sa Notice how Re and Pa are skipped in Aroha, and in Avroha, Pa is taken with a twist. It can also be skipped in Avroha. Pa does not come directly after Dha at all. This is the distinguishing feature of Bageshri. Now in Bhim Palas, on the other hand, see what happens. Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Did you notice that here Re is again skipped and then Dha is also skipped in Aroha? So Bageshri and Bhimpalas have the same swars, but the rules of Arohi and Avrohi Chalan makes the identity of these two rags different from one another. Although Aroha and Avroha show which swars are used in ascent and descent, they are not the complete rag. That is why in a concert, Aroha and Avroha are never sung. They are just a skeleton of a rag. They are a learning tool. So beginner students often learn the Aroha and Avroha of rags. So we have learned that for a rag to take shape, it must have minimum of 5 notes and may have up to 12 notes. But it must also have Sa, always have Sa. And to keep it in balance, it must have Ma or Pa as well. It also must have a specific ascending and descending order. But this alone is not enough to create a rag. So let's find out how these swars are used so the particular set of swars then can have a distinct identity and can be called a rag. I hope you will join me. Thank you.